Hi, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. This is the Britax Baby-Safe Core. I'm at a customer's house who has decided to buy this car seat, and while I'm here showing her how to install it, she's very kindly offered to video it for me, so I thought I might as well let you all enjoy it. So I'm going to install it with the ISOfix base. This is the ISOfix base for the Britax Baby-Safe Core. It doesn't fit any other car seat, it's only for this infant carrier. You've got a red bit here that is hidden when you fold the leg out far enough. You've got a red indicator here that will turn black when the seat is locked into place, and the ISOfix arms are here. To get them to come out, you need to push this button down. So you've got to push this and hold it and slide the arms out. And they both go at the same time. You then place the base in the car and lock the ISOfix arms in. So they just click into place, and the indicator on here will have turned green when it clicks. And you then have to push the base all the way back into the car as far as it can go. And then the final step, as I showed you earlier, the leg has to be angled all the way out until that red bit disappears. And you then press the button on the back of the leg until it drops down. There's a little red bit there that will turn green. You push it down to the floor, and then with your hand just lift up the base slightly until it clicks, and now the indicator on the foot is green. You've then got two ridges here on the base that have to lock into the two metal bars at the bottom of the seat. I always find it easiest to put my finger near the edge of that bar, so then line my finger up with this ridge so you know you've got it in the right place. So we're now going to not hold the seat upside down because babies don't like that. So put your finger on the metal bar, place the seat in the car on the base until it clicks into place, and the indicator here on the side will have now turned from red to black. I've now just moved the hood out of the way to show you that the carry handle needs to stay in its upright position while the seat is installed in the car. To remove the seat from the base, there is a button here on the base which you need to push in and forwards towards the front of the car, and then you can lift the seat off the base. And to take the base out of the car, you start again by pressing this button and raising the leg all the way up, and then you need to press the buttons here on the side to release the ISOfix, like that. So that's how you install the Britax Baby-Safe Core on its ISOfix base. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.